Imagine a world where bridges heal their own cracks, airplane wings mend after minor damage, and smartphones recover from scratches, all without human intervention. If engineers could design materials that repair themselves, it would revolutionize industries and redefine durability. Self-healing materials would dramatically extend the lifespan of products and infrastructure, reducing the need for frequent repairs and replacements. This could save billions in maintenance costs and significantly decrease waste, contributing to a more sustainable future. In critical applications like aerospace or medical devices, self-repairing components could enhance safety by preventing small flaws from escalating into catastrophic failures. The technology could also inspire new designs, lighter, more flexible structures that take advantage of their ability to recover from stress or wear. Everyday objects from clothing to electronics could become more resilient, making our lives more convenient and environmentally friendly. Ultimately, self-healing materials have the potential to transform not just the things we build, but also how we think about longevity, safety, and sustainability in engineering.